The brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max from Apple is undoubtedly the company's most technologically sophisticated phone of 2023, setting it apart from the iPhone 15 Pro and the other models in the lineup, which went on sale on September 12. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is already shaping up to be one of the greatest phones of the year with a periscope camera, a USB Type-C connection, a revamped new titanium body, and several other changes. The excellent Galaxy S23 Ultra, one of the greatest smartphones now on the market, is Samsung's fairly reasonable Android flagship in the interim. The huge phone consistently ranks at the top of most top polls because to its solid hardware, adaptable camera, excellent display, and custom user interface from Samsung that fully takes advantage of the deep integration with the S Pen. The top smartphones from Samsung and Apple have significant variances that are constants. If we ignore the crucial operating system and ecosystem differences between the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Galaxy S23 Ultra, we could discover that there isn't all that much of a difference between these two phones. On the 2023 smartphone market, these are shaping up to be the two best and most expensive options. With the introduction of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which has a new curved titanium construction that not only increases stiffness but also reduces weight, Apple is significantly upending the status quo. The mute option will be replaced with a customizable action button similar to the one on the Apple Watch Ultra, which is another significant change coming to the iPhone range. Users of the iPhone 15 Pro Max will be able to modify this one so that it may do various duties. With the release of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, Apple has officially adopted USB Type-C. The universal connection may be used to transfer files and charge the phone, although the maximum data throughput rates may need an original Apple cable. The Galaxy S23 Ultra, what about it? Comparatively speaking to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, this one is based on the same old glass sandwich design. One of the best designed smartphones of early 2023, the Galaxy S23 Ultra has a highly luxurious design with flat bottom and top frames, a slightly curved display, and an integrated S Pen. Four new hues are available for the iPhone 15 Pro Max: natural titanium, blue titanium, white titanium, and black titanium. You can get the Galaxy S23 Ultra on Samsung.com in cream, lavender, green, phantom black, and a few more unique hues. Additionally, the Galaxy S23 Ultra conceals an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint reader that enables fast and simple phone unlocking as well as online payment authorization. Such a feature won't be available on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which will continue to use the reliable Face ID face biometric. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.